Every year, hundreds of tornadoes form across the United States.
Millions of people see the destruction they leave behind.
But very few know how these deadly storms are actually created.
How can an ordinary thunderstorm transform into a powerful tornado capable of producing devastating winds and destroying everything in its path?
Today, we're following the complete journey of a tornado from its earliest
beginnings to its most dangerous stage.
10% tornado form.
Every tornado begins with warm, moist air near the ground. As this warm air rises into cooler air above, clouds begin to form. The stronger the rising air, the stronger the storm can become. This is the first step in tornado formation.
20% tornado formation.
As more warm air rises, a thunderstorm starts to grow. Inside the storm, powerful updrafts carry air thousands of feet into the atmosphere. Rain, lightning, and strong winds begin to develop. At this point, it is still an ordinary thunderstorm.
40% tornado formation.
Now, another important ingredient appears: wind shear. Wind shear occurs when winds change speed or direction at different heights. This creates a horizontal spinning tube of air in the atmosphere. Without wind shear, most tornadoes would never forget.
50% tornado formation.
The thunderstorm's powerful updraft lifts the spinning air upward. As it rises, the horizontal spin is tilted into a vertical position. The storm now begins rotating. Meteorologists call this rotating area a mesocyclone.
60% tornado formation.
As rotation increases, a lowering cloud base known as a wall cloud appears beneath the storm. This is often the first visible sign that a tornado may develop. Storm chasers and meteorologists watch wall clouds very carefully.
70% tornado formation.
As the rotation becomes stronger, a funnel-shaped cloud extends downward from the storm. This is called a funnel cloud. At first, it may remain suspended above the ground, but the circulation beneath it continues to strengthen.
80% tornado formation.
When the rotating column of air reaches the ground, a tornado is officially born. Dust, dirt, and debris are pulled into the air. A visible tornado now begins moving across the landscape.
90%. The tornado intensifies.
Some tornadoes remain weak and last only a few minutes. Others continue growing stronger. As more warm, moist air feeds the storm, the tornado becomes larger and more powerful. Wind speeds increase dramatically. Trees snap, roofs are torn away, and buildings can suffer major damage.
100% complete. The most dangerous tornadoes.
The strongest tornadoes are classified as EF4 or EF5 on the enhanced Fujita scale. These violent tornadoes can produce winds exceeding 200 miles per hour. Entire neighborhoods can be destroyed within minutes. Fortunately, these extreme tornadoes are rare. Eventually, the storm begins losing its supply of warm, moist air. The tornado narrows and becomes less organized. Meteorologists often call this the rope stage. Finally, the tornado loses its rotation and disappears. From a small pocket of rising warm air to one of nature's most powerful forces, the formation of a tornado is an incredible process. Although scientists have learned a great deal about tornadoes, predicting exactly when and where one will form remains a challenge. Tornadoes continue to remind us of the immense power hidden within Earth's atmosphere. If you enjoyed this documentary, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more history, disaster, and educational content.